Good morning, children. How are you all? Here's Teacher Amina with new English lesson. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Okay. Now, children, do you know? First of all, we will sing a song. Are you ready? Okay, let's sing. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Okay, very good. Okay, now children, do you know we have done how many letters in previous classes? Do you remember? Okay, I show you. Here it is. Here are the letters which we have done in the previous classes. Now look at first letter. Which letter is this? Letter A. Letter A. And what is the sound of letter A? A. Very good. Okay. Now look at this letter. Which letter is this? Letter B. And what is the sound of letter B? B. Very good. Okay. Now tell me, which letter is this? Letter C. Very good. Okay. And what is the sound of letter C? K. Very good. Okay. Which letter is this? Letter D. Very good. Okay. Now tell me, what is the sound of D? D. Well done. Okay. Now children, do you know today we will learn about new letter. Do you know which letter is that? Which letter is that? Letter E. Very good. Okay. Now, do you know what is the sound of letter E? A. The sound of letter E is A. Well done. Okay. Now, I paste letter E here. This is letter E. And what is the sound of letter E? A. Well done. Okay, now we will see how many things we can make with letter E sound. Okay. Look at this. What is this? Elephant. Elephant. Very good. So, this is friend of letter E. Okay, I will paste it here. E, elephant. Okay, now look at this. What is this? Elbow. You also have your elbow. Touch your elbow. This is your elbow. 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 E, elbow. Okay, this is also E friend. I will paste it here. E, elbow. E, elephant. Okay. Now look at this. What is this? This is eagle. What is the sound of eagle? A. E, eagle. Okay. I will paste it here. E, eagle. Okay. Now, what is this? This is egg. Do you eat egg? Very good. This is egg. Egg is a healthy food. Okay. And what is the sound of egg? Egg. I will paste it here. E, egg. E, egg. And what is this? Do you know what is this? This is eraser. And what is the sound of eraser? Eraser. Okay. I will paste it here. E, eraser. Okay. Let's repeat these words. Let's repeat it. E, elephant. E, elbow. E, eagle. E, egg. E eraser. Well done. Okay children, my lesson is finished and you revise this lesson at home. Thank you so much.